In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add text animation in PowerPoint. By the end, you'll know exactly how to make your titles and bullet points feel more dynamic without overwhelming your audience. First, select the text box you want to animate. Click once on the text box so you see the bounding handles appear around it. If you accidentally highlight individual words or letters, click on the edge of the box to make sure the entire text box is selected. This ensures the animation applies to the whole block of text instead of just a portion. Next, head to the Animations tab at the top of the PowerPoint window. This tab on the ribbon is where all animation tools live. If your window is small, you may need to expand the ribbon or look for the Animations label across the top. Now choose an animation effect. You'll see options like fly in, fade, and zoom. Click one to apply it to your selected text. PowerPoint will typically give you a quick preview so you can see how it looks. Keep it simple and purposeful. Fade is subtle and professional, fly-in adds motion from a direction, and zoom can make a headline pop. If you don't love your first pick, just click a different effect to swap it out instantly. To fine-tune your result, open the animation pane. You'll find this button on the right side of the animations ribbon. A panel will open on the right showing every animation on your slide. This is your control center, and right now you should see the animation you just added listed there. Customize the animation by clicking the drop-down arrow next to it in the animation pane and selecting effect options. Here you can set the direction, such as from the bottom left or right, to match how you want the text to enter. If you're animating text, you can also choose to reveal it all at once by word or by letter. By word and by letter, create a more gradual build, which is great for headlines or emphasis, but use them thoughtfully to keep your presentation clear. When you're ready to check your work, preview the animation. Click play from in the animation pane to watch it from the beginning of the slide sequence, or go to slideshow and choose from current slide for a full screen preview. If something feels off, return to effect options and adjust the direction or text by word settings until it looks just right. Quick recap, select your text, go to animations, choose an effect, open the animation pane, customize your settings, and preview the animation. And that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more PowerPoint tips and tutorials.